Congratulations on completing Module 1, Fundamentals of Accounts Receivable. Let's wrap it all up and lock in the key takeaways. You've just built the foundation of every high-performing finance operation, the ability to turn revenue into cash, predictably and professionally. You began this module by exploring the AR engine, understanding how orders, credit, billing, collections, and cash application connect as one living system. Each gear, when tuned, fuels business velocity. Then you mastered the perfect invoice, transforming paperwork into a payment trigger. You learned that accuracy, completeness, and compliance are not just administrative tasks, they are the language of customer trust. Finally, in preventing disputes, you shifted from reactive correction to proactive control, identifying and removing the causes of cash disruption before they can appear. Together, these three skills make AR measurable and dependable. You can now interpret performance through Days Sales Outstanding, DSO, Invoice Accuracy Rate, IAR, and Dispute Rate, DR, turning data into decision power. FARGuru. Pause and reflect activity. Activity 1. Self-check your AR strengths. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to reflect. Which part of your AR cycle flows effortlessly and which one causes friction? Your insight here shapes your growth in the next module. Having mastered the flow of cash, you're now ready to manage the source of that flow, customer credit. The next module, Credit Management, will take you deeper into policy design, risk evaluation, and protection against bad debt. You'll see how strong AR processes and clear credit policies work hand in hand. AR ensures collection, credit ensures safety. Together, they sustain the lifeline of any business. Answer the following questions to create your communication approach using Finacharya's 5P framework. If the customer has complained about an invoice, who do you connect with? And what would you find to identify the root causes? What questions could you ask to arrive at the root cause? How do you engage with the cross-functional teams to get their support? What information do you need to collect before you talk to different stakeholders? How would you initiate the conversation with the stakeholders? What helps you build trust and relationship? What are some potential traps in communicating with the customers or cross-functional teams? Speak politely. Listen carefully to gather precise data to take prompt action. Focus on eliminating confusion rather than considering others' responses, customers or cross-functional teams as resistance. Promptness, precision with politeness enabled through empathetic listening. Remember always to reflect on ways to use Finacharya's 5P framework to communicate with relevant stakeholders. You've moved from understanding to execution, from seeing AR as paperwork to managing it as a business engine. That mindset shift is the real success of this module. Up next, Module 2, Credit Management. You'll learn how to set smart credit policies, vet customers, and protect your business from bad debt, the perfect next step in your financial mastery journey. empowering employees to become AR professionals.